In the next few seconds, you'll see a compact tool that quietly replaces several cleaning devices you probably already own, and that's where things get interesting. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence. Today, we're looking at the HOTO Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner Cordless, a 4-in-1 portable cleaning device designed for cars, desks, keyboards, and everyday home use. If you value convenience, minimal clutter, and practical tools that actually get used, this review will help you decide whether it fits your routine. The purchase link is in the description if you want to explore it further. At its core, this is not just a car vacuum. It combines suction, air blowing, inflating, and vacuum sealing into a single compact device. It's designed for people who prefer having one reliable solution instead of multiple bulky cleaning tools stored away and rarely used. Reason 1. Everyday cleaning without effort. The HOTO vacuum is built for quick, frequent cleaning rather than heavy, deep clean sessions. With up to 20,000 pascals suction power, it handles dust, crumbs, and debris in car interiors, keyboards, and tight corners with consistent performance. The brushless motor ensures stable suction, which means you don't experience sudden drops in power during use. Reason 2. 4-in-1 versatility that reduces clutter. This device combines vacuuming, blowing, inflating, and vacuum sealing in one system. In real-world use, that means you can clean your car, blow dust out of electronics, inflate small accessories, or even compress storage bags. It's a practical all-in-one approach that reduces the need for multiple separate devices. Reason 3. Thoughtful design for real usage. At just 0.78 pounds, it feels light in hand and easy to maneuver with one grip. The compact 55 by 55 by 169 millimeters body fits into a glove box or small storage compartment. The pop-to-open dust cup also makes emptying simple and clean, which matters more than most people realize after repeated use. Reason 4. Adjustable power with controlled battery life. You get 3 suction modes, 8,000 pascals, 15,000 pascals, and 20,000 pascals, so you can match power with the task. The built-in 2,500 mAh battery delivers up to 35 minutes of runtime, which is typically enough for cars, desks, or quick household cleanups without needing frequent recharging. Reason 5. Practical accessories for different surfaces. It includes multiple attachments such as a crevice nozzle, grooming brush head, and air nozzle. These aren't just extras, they directly improve reach and efficiency. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers, the accessory set is often highlighted for making cleaning more targeted and less time-consuming. From a balanced perspective, it's important to note that this is not intended for heavy industrial cleaning or large wet debris. It performs best as a portable maintenance tool rather than a full replacement for larger vacuums. In conclusion, the HOTO handheld vacuum stands out for its flexibility, portability, and thoughtful engineering. It's best suited for car owners, minimalists, frequent travelers, and anyone who prefers quick, efficient cleaning without dealing with bulky equipment. If that sounds like your lifestyle, this is a tool that quietly earns its place over time. Take a moment, review the details, and decide calmly if it aligns with how you like to keep your space. No rush, just an informed choice.